For the final trade of the day, we are bringing in trader Mike Shorr of Prosper Trading Academy. Hello to you, Mike.
Hi. Well, let's look at Occidental Petroleum, OXY. So what I like about Oxy is, you always hear about traders looking for that, their lean, that trader's lean, which means kind of that edge. Well, what we kind of almost have here in Oxy is an embedded put, because we know that we have a buyer out there in Warren Buffett. He got the okay to own up to 50% of the company. So he is going to have to keep on amassing shares. So on any sort of pullback, you know that you have a buyer in there. So you can lean to the long side, because even though everybody knows it, that it's well, maybe not everybody knows it. That's the thing. And there could be an explosive move to the upside. So you have protection to the downside, and that you have a natural buyer in there. And perhaps they say, because they've come out and said that they don't really want to take over the entire company or buy the company or anything like that, but they could change that tune and say, hey, you know what, at these prices, we do want to own the company, and you could see some explosion to the upside. So you do have a surprise to the downside if they say, hey, listen, we don't want to own half of this company. He hasn't acted like that over the last 3-5 months. So let's put that out of our mind. And so what I'm looking at a pullback at that 69.35 level. That has been a place that we saw it take off earlier in the week. And then if we get that pullback to those levels, that's a nice place, because we know on Friday it was up over $72. So a nice lean in there, nice tight liquid market's a great thing for day trading. And I would make my mistakes being wrong on calls as opposed to trying to pick the top. If you're long and you're kind of trading it back and forth, then you have a feel for it. But if you have to make a mistake, I'd make a mistake being long.
Terrific trader talk. Thanks so much, Mike.
You got it. Thanks a lot, everyone.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.